As social media and other distractions like dating or video games keep increasing in this era, it seems like there are more and more things holding you back from achieving your goals. Today, we're delving into the concept of going ghost mode and exploring how it can transform your life for the better. Going ghost mode is about being disciplined and focused on self-improvement by cutting down on distractions and putting yourself first. It's about creating an environment that allows you to concentrate on your goals without unnecessary interruptions. Let me make this clear. Going ghost mode doesn't mean vanishing from the world completely. It's about taking a step back to focus on self-improvement and personal growth. This involves making deliberate choices that foster your development. Here's how you can effectively go ghost mode in your life. Step 1. Identify your priorities. The first step in going ghost mode is to identify your priorities. What areas of your life need the most attention? This could be anything from improving your grades, getting in better shape, developing a new skill, or enhancing your mental well-being. By pinpointing what truly matters to you, you can set clear, achievable goals that will guide your journey. Take some time to reflect on your current situation. What aspects of your life bring you the most satisfaction, and which ones need improvement? Write down your goals and prioritize them based on their importance and urgency. This will give you a roadmap to follow and ensure that your efforts are focused on what truly matters. Step 2. Cut out the noise. One of the biggest challenges today is the constant influx of information and notifications. To truly go ghost mode, you need to cut out the noise. This means deleting or limiting your social media use, uninstalling distracting apps, and turning off unnecessary notifications. Let your close friends and family know that you'll be less available. This way you can focus your energy on what truly matters without getting sidetracked. Consider setting specific times during the day when you check your phone or social media. By limiting these distractions, you'll have more time and mental space to dedicate to your goals. It might be challenging at first, but you'll quickly notice how much more productive and focused you can be without constant interruptions. Step 3. Focus on well-being. Self-improvement goes hand in hand with taking care of your well-being. Prioritize sleep, nutritious eating, and regular physical activity. Incorporate practices like mindfulness or meditation to keep your mind clear and focused. When your body and mind are in good shape, you're better prepared to tackle your goals and handle challenges that come your way. Create a balanced routine that includes time for exercise, healthy meals, and relaxation. Make sure you get enough sleep each night to recharge your body and mind. Incorporating mindfulness practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga can also help you stay centered and focused on your goals. Step 4. Build a consistent routine. Consistency is key in any self-improvement journey. Create a structured daily routine that aligns with your priorities. Schedule specific times for studying, exercising, working on projects, and relaxation. By sticking to a routine, you create habits that support your goals and make it easier to stay on track. Start by setting a daily schedule that includes all the activities you need to accomplish. Allocate specific time blocks for each task and stick to them as closely as possible. This will help you develop a sense of discipline and make it easier to manage your time effectively. Over time, these habits will become second nature, and you'll find it easier to stay on track and achieve your goals. Step 5. Engage in purposeful learning. Going ghost mode doesn't mean cutting yourself off from all learning opportunities. Instead, engage in purposeful learning. Choose books, courses, or tutorials that directly relate to your goals. Seek out mentors or join communities of like-minded individuals who can offer guidance and support. Purposeful learning helps you gain valuable skills and insights that propel you toward your objectives. Identify areas where you need to improve or acquire new skills, and seek out resources that can help you achieve these goals. Whether it's online courses, workshops, or mentorship programs, investing in your education and personal growth will pay off in the long run. Surround yourself with people who share your interests and goals, as they can provide valuable support and motivation. Step 6. Regularly evaluate your progress. To ensure you're on the right track, regularly evaluate your progress. Reflect on what's working well and what might need adjusting. Be honest with yourself about any setbacks and view them as learning opportunities rather than failures. By continuously assessing and refining your approach, you stay flexible and can adapt to new challenges and opportunities. Set aside time each week to review your progress and make any necessary adjustments to your plan. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and learn from your mistakes. This process of reflection and adjustment will help you stay motivated and ensure that you're always moving forward. Embrace the sacrifices. Understand that going ghost mode involves making sacrifices. You might miss out on social events, parties, or casual hangouts with friends. However, these sacrifices are necessary for achieving your long-term goals. Keep in mind that the rewards of your hard work and dedication will be far greater than the temporary pleasures you might miss out on. It's important to recognize that achieving your goals will require some level of sacrifice. You may need to give up certain activities or social engagements in order to stay focused on your priorities. However, by keeping your long-term goals in mind, you can stay motivated and remind yourself that these sacrifices are worth it in the end. In conclusion, going ghost mode is a powerful strategy for intentional self-improvement and personal growth. It requires a disciplined approach, a clear focus on your priorities, and a willingness to cut out distractions. By following these steps, you can create a structured plan that helps you achieve your goals and become the best version of yourself. Going ghost mode is not about isolation, but about making meaningful progress in your life. Stay committed, stay focused, and watch how this approach transforms your life. If you like this video, hit the like button. It helps others find this content, and that helps me too. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.